how to install Horror Tale 3 on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now here on the right bottom, you'll be able to see the search icon. Tap on this search icon. Now on the top at the search bar, simply search Horror Tale 3. So it will pop up in the top. Now simply tap on it again. So make sure that this is the right application. So you can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now simply tap on this install button. So it will take some time. Basically, Horror Tale 3 is a series of horror tale where you'll be able to have more fun about the horrors. So basically this is a horror and fiction game where there will be bunny and you must solve all the puzzle to win the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.